Note: before you start changing of light bulb, you need to unplug sewing machine from the mains. The most reliable way do not get an electric shock is to disconnect cord from outlet. To replace a light bulb in sewing machine often is needed. Open up the front cover. Insert a thin flat screwdriver under small protective cap on front cover. Note: this protective cap may be set in other places, for example, from bottom side of front cover. Remove the front cover and place it on table. There are variations of light bulb base including cap with 2 pins like this lamp. To remove such light bulb needs to press it up slightly and turn it to left. Now you can remove the bulb with easy. Note: in old sewing machines models and some modern, the light bulb has a screw-in type base. The installation of a new lamp is performed in the reverse order. Note: with some experience, replacing the sewing machine bulb can be done without removing the cover.